pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter. They just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question answering conversation. So, let's get started. Do you watch the news? Do you watch the news? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Do you like reading newspaper? Do you like reading newspaper? Yes, I read them online. Yes, I read them online. Do you watch English videos? Do you watch English videos? Yes, for learning purpose. Yes, for learning purpose. Do you speak English every day? Do you speak English every day? Yes, I try to practice daily. Yes, I try to practice daily. Do you make grammar mistakes? Do you make grammar mistakes? Yes, but I am improving. Yes, but I am improving. Do you make grammar mistakes? Do you make grammar mistakes? Yes, but I am improving. Yes, but I am improving. Do you use a dictionary? Do you use a dictionary? Yes, when I need help. Yes, when I need help. Do you learn new words? Do you learn new words? Yes, 10 words every day. Yes, 10 words every day. Do you like writing in English? Do you like writing in English? Yes, I write small paragraphs. Yes, I write small paragraphs. Do you speak English with your friends? Do you speak English with your friends? Sometimes just for practice. Sometimes just for practice. Do you attend English classes? Do you attend English classes? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you understand English movies? Do you understand English movies? A little with subtitles. A little with subtitles. Do you repeat English sentences? Do you repeat English sentences? Yes, to improve my speaking. Yes, to improve my speaking. Do you fear speaking in English? Do you fear speaking in English? Not much now. I am getting better. Not much now. I am getting better. Do you want to speak fluently? Do you want to speak fluently? Yes, that's my goal. Yes, that's my goal. Do you like your school? Do you like your school? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like comedy shows? Do you like comedy shows? Yes, they are funny. Yes, they are funny. Do you like study at night? Do you like studying at night? Yes, it's quiet. Yes, it's quiet. Do you like playing games? Do you like playing games? Yes, especially board games. Yes, especially board games. Do you like cartoons? Do you like cartoons? Yes, they are fun. Yes, they are fun. Can we leave early? Can we leave early? Yes, that's okay. Yes, that's okay.